Do you have an error with the Filedropper module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll guide you through the diagnostic to restore system stability and get localized shell drag and drop orchestration working again. To start our troubleshooting for Filedropper module, you can follow my manual steps or use a utility for a clean environment review. This is the Filedropper module, a generic naming convention used by several non-standard file sharing tools to house their localized drag and drop logic. It manages the data pipe between the GUI and the local file system. Because it initiates remote connections, it is a high-risk file for malware infection. If missing, the sharing tool will report a shell hook failure. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. Errors related to Filedropper module DLL often mean the internal localized shell drag and drop orchestration configuration inside your host program is broken, so you need to reinstall that specific software from the official developer source to replace the library. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Filedropper module. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. Since the restart failed to map the file path, we're going to manually point Windows to this specific database tool. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, manual registration is required to link the file to the Windows registry hive. Without this pointer, the application cannot bridge the connection to the library. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. I strongly advise you to prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of Filedropper module. Third-party DLL sites are a primary vector for hackers to inject ransomware directly into your operating system's core. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. If you're exploring professional monitoring options, the software linked below provides general diagnostic information for Filedropper module. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Filedropper module today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support